Conti with American Pump Controls. I'm introducing you and showing you how to run a sale, a prepaid $1 prepaid sale on our FuelBOSS console. It's connected right here. It's kind of a simulated thing. We don't have any mechanical pumps. I have a switch here that simulates the handle switch, and I have a switch here that simulates the pulser. As fuel goes by, this is a switch that opens and closes. It goes into this 223 board that actually does all the business controlling of the mechanical pumps. There's three more additional pump positions here that we could use. We have 4 mechanical to electronic protocol converter boards. We have a site controller board, this big green board that we have here, and the site controller does all the communication between the gas pumps and this computer board. And the computer board allows us to connect to the internet, either a local or a full-on internet connection. This antenna right here that you see laying in the box is picking up our Wi-Fi signal here in the office. This antenna here on the FuelBOSS is picking up the Wi-Fi signal in the office. So right now we're communicating back and forth between this interconnect box I just showed you and the FuelBOSS console. And when I select pump number 1, fueling point number 1, and I put in $1 and hit cash paid, after the customer gave us the cash, we get a authorization signal from the FuelBOSS. I've sent the authorization to the site controller. The blue icon lets you know the site controller got it. Now I'm going to lift up my handle with my little fakey switchy and let it know that reset's complete. I got a nozzle. I'm going to start pumping now, and you know, it's going to be very slow. I can't pump very fast on this thing. Probably about 60 cents so far here. Let's see what we got. 51. Alright, that's 66 cents. I got a click and that turned the fast valve off so we can stop this pump at an exact dollar amount. Well, let's say we can't fit $1 into our tank. All we can fit in is 82 cents. I'm going to hang up. It's going to drop the sale out of authorization, and it's going to go into refund mode, where we have to take 18 cents out of the drawer and give it back to the customer that prepaid for a short prepaid dollar sale. Once you do that, you hit the cash paid button, and that clears that transaction out of the way. Now let's say somebody else has got actually enough room to fit a whole $1 in their gas tank. I'm going to do the same operation again. I'm going to turn on the handle. I'm going to get my authorization signal back from the site controller box. I'm going to start pumping. I'm going to get my nozzle saying that they are pumping outside. I'm going to get that same transaction amount. Now pretty soon you'll hear a click for the slowdown or for the fast valve to cut off. Now we're about 90 cents here, 91. We're in slow flow. We just turned off the pump. I'm going to turn my handle off. And that sale is going to go automatically. It's just going to pay itself out. It's going to continue to show the dollar amount. It's going to continue to show the gallon amount until another sale is authorized. But that's how you do a prepaid sale. It also highlighted what you would do if you did a prepaid sale, but they couldn't, you know, pump all that they paid for into their tank. You simply refund the amount and hit the cash paid, And that's how you do a sale, a prepaid sale on the FuelBOSS American Pump Controls FuelBOSS console. Thanks.